How to assemble U-Go Trike. Make sure you have all the parts and the user manual that comes in the box for easy reference. Additionally, you will require screwdriver and spanner for the assembly. First, insert the trike frame into the rear axle, matching the screw holes. Pass the rear axle screw through the hole and tighten the nut with spanner. Before attaching front wheel, ensure that slit in the front wheel rod is towards the trike frame. Insert the mud guard onto front wheel properly. And insert the front wheel rod into the frame. Rotate the handle lock to check the front wheel is properly attached to the frame. Insert the plastic ring and metal clip into the rod. Attach front basket to the handlebar and insert it into the front wheel rod. Tighten the nut on handlebar clip with spanner to securely attach it. Lower the basket to cover the handlebar clip. Place the saddle seat on designated area matching the screw holes. Insert screws and tighten nuts using spanner. Insert the lower push handle into the frame till notch sits into the groove. Insert the upper push handle into the lower push handle rod. U-Go Trike can be used in freewheel mode and pedaling mode. When you want to use it as push trike, gently pull out the switch located on the front wheel to free up the pedal for safety of the baby. For pedaling mode, push in the switch gently. Now your Chicco U-Go Trike is ready for use.